Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Hifi. I just wanted to do one more update. Probably depends on if you're interested in more updates. If you're interested in more updates, let me know, and I'll try to do that. But this will probably be my last update in a while because, like you can see, Hifi has dropped down significantly. I'll take a look at the 1 hour time frame. There you can see it a bit more. Basically, during the night, it got a bit more bullish momentum here. Went up after the video, actually went up to our price target, even though I said like 2.75 was more likely. Went up to 2.63, and then from there it was over, especially after it gave up $2, which was around 3 o'clock in the night, at least in my time zone. It was over, and this was also expected at some point of time. I also shorted it. I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals or just let you know. And there I shorted Hifi around this area, around 1.9, 1.8, at least on the futures. I'm not sure where the spot price was because the futures and the spot prices were very separated, which happens sometimes. That's also why the funding rate right now, for example, is still relatively high. It's not as high as what it used to be, but still, that's also a bearish indication. But yeah, the story is that Hifi was manipulated, and the video yesterday was already called Hifi crash warning because this was expected, right? It just was, because if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, for example, you can see that most of it was coming from Upbit. Usually, if that's the case, it is manipulated and it will rally a lot, but at some point of time crash. And then what you saw also yesterday already happening, before the open interest was very bullish, right? The open interest and the volume were all bullish. And then around the night, it started decreasing rapidly. Like when the open interest, it already dropped down yesterday evening, but when the volume and the open interest started dropping down yesterday, that was more bearish confirmation. And now it's dead, all right? That's just what it is. It's been manipulated. Manipulators have made a lot of money. Retail usually has lost a lot of money, which is not amazing. It should almost be a crime, to be honest. But yeah, that happened. And for now, I mean, Hifi. Sometimes what happens is that these manipulated cryptos rally, and then at some point of time that they'll have a second smaller rally. That is a possibility for Hifi, but I think Hifi has been quite exhausted. So the next support level is coming up right here around $1.90. There is a possibility that at one of those levels, which $1.90 looks like the most likely support level where that can happen from, it is a possibility that from there it will rally up to either this level right here at 1.35, which is a strong resistance level right now, or up to this level right here at the 382 fib around 1.6. And then from there continue dropping down, all right? Because ultimately, I do think Hifi will drop back down all the way to 60 and 55 cents. It might just still take a while. All right, so that's kind of what we're waiting for. Ultimately, like I said, it's bearish. At some point of time, I do still expect some sort of a second rally or a spike, but I would 100% wait for confirmation for that. So for example, if it drops down right now to $1.90, I would wait for it to break above 1.1 or 1.12. Then you have some bullish confirmation, and then you can assume that some sort of a second rally is possible. If that doesn't happen, if there's no bullish confirmation, no small bullish breakout, it will just continue dropping down towards 75 cents, and ultimately, like I said, 60, 50. So that's my full take. That's my my goodbye to Hifi. If you do want to see more updates, then of course let me know. But for now, enjoy your Sunday. Take care and bye.